Today I have a 99 Stingray 190 LX bow rider. Seller does have 2 extra tires. It's got a full cover. We'll walk around it here. Bimini top. 4-blade prop. It's got a Mercruiser 4.3 liter. Looks like the skegg's all there. Has 247 hours on it. So really low hours for a 99. All brand new interior. Kind of windy out here today. Go inside the boat here. Tilt steering. Depth finder. The transducer does need to be attached to the back, but it has it. Lots of gauges. There's your hour meter, 247, rated for 8 passengers. Very nice interior up at the bow. Glove box. Here's the radio. It is Bluetooth, I'm told. Carpet is very clean in the boat. 4.3 liter Mercruiser, 190 horse. Beautiful boat. Stop in at our Antioch SkipperBud's to see this one. We do offer financing.